If you haven't started facial cupping yet, this is your sign. Here is a simple tutorial to help you understand the foundational flow for facial cupping. Always beginning on the décolleté and neck to open up those pathways of lymphatic drainage with a blend of flash cupping, which is when you suction, hold for about a second or two, and then release. And fluid cupping is when you suction, slide, and release. After working the décolleté and neck, moving the face, following the same lymphatic pathways that you follow with all of your facial tools from the center of the face out to the hairline, working your way up towards the forehead. And the closer you squeeze to the base of the cup, the stronger the suction will be, and the closer you squeeze towards the end of the cup, the lighter the suction. So you can play around with what feels the most supportive for your skin. After using the larger cup for the full face, then you can grab your little cup to target your lips, eyes, and fine lines. This helps to naturally plump the lip area and soften any fine lines that are starting to form. And around the delicate eye area, it powerfully depuffs and firms, and it helps to increase blood flow for more youthful, clear, and vibrant skin.